Today, we're taking a deep dive into Dropship.io, a platform that promises to make your dropshipping business easier and more efficient. If you're thinking about starting a dropshipping business or you're already running one, you're probably aware of how critical it is to have a reliable platform to manage your orders, products, and customer service. Dropship.io aims to be that solution by automating key elements of the process, so you can focus more on scaling and less on manual tasks. When you first sign up for Dropship.io, you'll notice the user-friendly interface. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, which is great for both beginners and experienced entrepreneurs. The platform connects to your online store, whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or other e-commerce platforms, to make integration seamless. One of the most notable features is its product sourcing tool. Dropship.io gives you access to a vast product catalog from reliable suppliers. You can easily import products directly to your store with just a few clicks, saving time on manual product entry. The catalog includes a wide range of products, from electronics to clothing, so you can find items that fit your niche and your customer base. Order fulfillment is another area where Dropship.io shines. Once a customer places an order, the platform automatically sends the order details to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This not only speeds up the fulfillment process, but also reduces the chances of human error, giving you more confidence in the efficiency of your operations. Another feature worth mentioning is the pricing tool. Dropship.io allows you to set automatic price markups, ensuring that you're always making a profit on each sale without having to calculate prices manually. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you have a large inventory. Additionally, the platform provides real-time tracking of your products, which is useful for keeping customers updated on their orders. Now, let's talk about the pricing structure. Dropship.io offers a variety of pricing plans, catering to different business needs. Whether you're just starting out or you're running a larger, more established store, there's a plan that suits your budget and your goals. The platform offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing to a subscription. This is a great way to see if Dropship.io is the right fit for your business. One of the downsides to Dropship.io is that its customer support could use some improvement. While there's an extensive knowledge base with guides and FAQs, getting quick responses from their support team can be hit or miss. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you encounter any issues along the way. In conclusion, Dropship.io is a solid choice for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking for a user-friendly, automated platform. It simplifies many aspects of the dropshipping business, from product sourcing to order fulfillment. If you're looking for a tool that can help you run a more efficient and profitable dropshipping store, this platform is worth considering. Don't forget to like this video if you found this review helpful, and hit subscribe for more honest reviews and e-commerce tips.